If you could reverse the nature, what would happen? I have a video for you about this. This is a Anak Krakatoa or baby Krakatoa recent eruption. I've reversed it for you. Now I'll reverse it back. And I'll let it go back again. The next one is interesting. Fagradalsfjall volcano. Very gentle eruption, but I will speed it up. Reversed. All the lava is going back. Now it's boiling out again. And let's take it back. And when it was very small, Fagradalsfjall was like this. It's like a baby making bubbles. And again, Anak Krakatoa. That's the most amazing, beautiful one. Indonesia. Yep, that was my little play with the volcanoes. Reverse eruption. If you like it, I will make more.